I already finished my rudder and now I go on the boat because I need to install the new compass, prepare the hole, and it's quite delicate work. I went to Franco factory, Top Tech, and they prepared me the template so I can use the milling machine to make a perfect circle. We will see now. This is the template from the original one, this one. So I need to center with the milling machine. I will make bigger hole for the new compass. I already closed those holes, so no more water entering, but now I will use the hot glue to gluing this one centered perfectly.
Using the fingerprint of the old compass that I threw away because it was completely gone, I was able to find a reference to install the new compass, the Silva 103 model that I bought from Hallberg-Rassy parts in Sweden. Okay, now it's time to gluing the frame. When you use a milling machine, you needed to pay a lot of attention. It's 1 second to make disaster. And the Fame Multimaster help a lot, it's very safe tools, and also the sandpaper. Now it's time to take out the frame with the blade and try if the compass fit well the new holes. Drilling the holes.
Provisory fixing. I need to clean all around here to shine. After that I fix for the rest of his life. When I put this compass, I already make just yesterday this frame. Why I use this frame? I'll show you in a moment. This is the hole of the compass and those are the all holes of the previous compass. I will use this frame because I will cover all the holes. I need to varnish this frame in mahogany and the job will be done.
And now we are come back to Franco factory, the Top Tech, because Piero helped me to prepare the support of the handle of the sliding hatch of Ellös. Franco and Piero helped me in this task because it's very tricky and they have a lot of experience than me, but I spend all my time filming for you. Normally my work is sanding. I am a sanding man. Glorious, glorious sandings, as Mad from Denmark say. And here the piece of Teak is glued on the fiberglass, and also we insert 2 screws to take all together very fixed. And now we are take the measure for the front plate of Teak that I want to do it in the sliding hatch.
This is my hatch. I need to finish to sand there, but it's more strong. I don't want that the lock go inside here as original, but I will make a aperture here to go straight here, more strong than use this one. But I need to make more round here, but I like. It's pure Teak 100%.
It's time now to seal the small gap from Teak and fiberglass of the sliding edge. I use 3M 4000 and some soap and my finger. In this way I can get a very smooth surface.
Okay guys, job done. I put all the silicone there to avoid water penetration, and the job is done, and we see tomorrow. Bye bye.
The day after, Piero came to power plant because he helped me to install the front plate of the sliding edge. You need experience and you know how to do to get a nice and clean work. So for this reason, some work I am not able to do, but only looking and learning as much as possible. I think I don't do it again the next boat because this is my last boat and I keep her forever. I hope so. You need to check millimeter by millimeter to get the correct work. Piero is always prone to teach me how to do, but it's too difficult, sorry, too difficult. I check and only send. And with the milling machine we make the correct corner of the piece of teak because it's very similar to the original one of the entrance. Last end sanding to get the nice smooth finish, and now it's time to drill to fix the plate on the front of the sliding edge. Clean with acetons, put some sealant, 3M 4000, and we go with the plate. I'm ready to use the screw. It's not still finished because I need to gluing the Teak plug on the holes. You need to find the correct direction of the vein of the Teak using epoxy and hammer. You put the wood plug inside and you wait 24 hours. After that you can sand and get a very flat surface and very nice without holes. Okay guys, do you like? Now I start to sand the wood plug using the machine, the rotor orbital and the sandpaper by hand to get a very clean surface. I sand all the entrance because I would like to see all the color of the Teak. If they match, you can see yes, they match perfectly. I like very well the result. If you like my video and my work, please thumb up and leave your comment below. I'm very happy to reply to you personally because I always need your opinion. Piero also helped me to install the handrail. This is the old handrail that was already in Ellös, but I completely sand and varnish again with silk matte varnish. We move forward about 10 cm the handrail because I want space near the lights. I use the hand screwdriver because I am very safer with it. If I use the electric one distraction, you boom, completely ruin your handrail or your wood. Inside Ellös, I always use the hand screwdriver to install the stuff. I need to install all the headliner here and here. You can see I take out the protection of the support of the mast. So for first time I think you can see what is under the plate of mahogany that normally cover this part of the boat. This is a very strong, huge piece of wood that support the mast.
They use a lot of fiberglass here to make more strong, but now I need to put the new ceiling just here. I already make all the new holes, and now I need to install it. I take out the plate that normally cover here, because when you make a new template you can make the best perfection stuff you want but at the end they never fit, so I need to make some modification. But for the moment we start to install the panel.
Before install, a little clean, and here we go.
I didn't find the tools. It's up. It's perfect, very nice. And I need to put the new plate just here, but I need to make modification. When you make the templates, you use the original one, you anytime don't get the same result. There are a very millimeters difference, and you need any time to make modification. But at the end, I'm very happy because it's great. I'm happy.